In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits in Luma AI. We'll start right from your web browser. Open Google and type in Luma AI. This quick search makes sure you land on the official site, which helps you avoid lookalikes and gets you to the right tools faster. On the results page, click the listing titled Luma AI Agents for Creative Work. That's the official homepage where you can access the app and everything related to your account. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Try Luma. Click that to open the Luma web app. It may open in a new tab. Keep that tab in focus. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue into your workspace. After you're in, you'll be ready to check how many credits you currently have and then upgrade if you need more. Inside the app, find the section labeled Usage. Go ahead and click it. This is your dashboard for all things credit related. You'll typically see your current credit balance, how much you've used recently, and when your usage resets. It's a great moment to pause and confirm whether you actually need more credits or if optimizing your current workload will do the trick. If you do need additional credits, you're in the right place to move forward. On the usage page, click the button that says Choose Plan. This button is your shortcut to upgrading. It takes you directly to the plans and pricing area where you can review available options. This page is designed to help you compare what each plan includes, like the number of credits and any added capabilities that might come with higher tiers. Take a moment to read the details so you understand what you're getting and how it aligns with the volume of work you expect to run. When you're ready, select the plan that best fits your needs. Choosing a plan here is what increases your available credits. Before finalizing, it's always a good idea to double check the plan name, the included credits, and the total cost shown on the screen so there are no surprises later. That's all there is to it. To recap the flow, search for Luma AI on Google, open the official Luma site, click Try Luma to enter the app, go to Usage to review your balance, hit Choose Plan, then on Plans and Pricing, pick the plan that provides the extra credits you want. After you complete the change, your upgraded credits should reflect in your account shortly so you can get right back to creating